An incorrect OpenSky payment history entry should be checked against your payment confirmations, account records, and transaction details before you request a correction. By the end, you'll know how to review a wrong payment record, what information to collect, and how to contact OpenSky when your payment history does not match what actually happened. Start by opening your OpenSky account records and reviewing the payment that looks incorrect. Check the payment date, amount, status, and any confirmation information connected to that transaction. A payment history problem can appear in different ways. A payment may show a status you do not expect, an amount that does not match your records, or activity that you do not recognize. The first step is identifying the exact entry causing the issue. Before contacting support, collect the details that explain the problem. Save payment confirmations, screenshots of the account history, bank records showing the payment, and any messages connected to the transaction. When you describe the issue, avoid a general message like, "My payment history is wrong." Explain what appears in your account and what information you believe is incorrect. Include the payment date, amount, and the specific part of the record that needs review. If your payment was made but the account history does not appear updated, check whether the transaction is still being processed or whether the account information has not refreshed yet. Review the latest account activity before submitting a correction request. If you contact OpenSky support, provide the information needed to investigate the payment record. A clear explanation helps the support team understand what happened without needing to ask for basic details again. Keep records of your support conversations, confirmation messages, and any case details you receive. These records make it easier to follow up if the issue requires additional review. Avoid sharing account information through unofficial channels. Use the official support options connected to your OpenSky account when requesting help with payment history problems. The key points are simple. Check the transaction details first, gather proof before contacting support, and explain the exact mismatch clearly. A complete request gives support the information needed to review the record. Your next step is to find the incorrect payment entry. Save the supporting documents and submit a detailed request through OpenSky support. If this guide helped you understand how to fix a payment history issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical account help guides.